Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'm going to guide you on how you can find somebody else's hidden phone number on Facebook. I'm going to give you an honest and a very blatant answer, so you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further ado, let us get started and jump right into our device. So how do you go about finding a hidden number on the Facebook app of your Facebook friends or your profiles and so on? So first of all, let me open Facebook right over here, and then if I go to my friends section or anywhere, let's say I want to find a number of the person I'm not in friends with, I'm going to simply tap on their profile right over here. As I tap on their profile here, you'll be able to see multiple options. Now if I tap, even if I go to the about info and so on, you can see that there is actually any option where I can actually find this person's phone number. Why does this happen is because maybe that person has not allowed it. So if you want to simply call this person, another solution is to simply tap on this message button. You can simply tap on this message button, then you can simply go ahead and try to call this person, or just simply try to message it and ask them for their number. Now another way is, even if I show you some of my friends or my friends, people who are on my friends list, and then I tap on their profile right over here, and then here even if I go to their about info and so on, you will find that there is actually no any option where I'm actually able to see their number. Now that is because that person might have set their number to only me, and Facebook does not allow leaking information outside of its privacy settings. So if you see any other third-party applications or services that claims that they can actually find hidden numbers on Facebook, do not believe them. They are most likely to break into your device with viruses and so on. Because if Facebook itself does not allow the hidden numbers to be leaked outside, its security is so strong that other services will actually not be able to certainly break it in the coming years or so. Your only way to actually get their number is to simply message them, and you want to simply type them, chat to them, and on the top right you can see the option called call or video call. You can simply go about calling them, or if not, then you can simply go ahead and ask them for their number, and this is the only way that you can actually do it, because unfortunately Facebook does not allow it. But maybe if somebody has set their number to public so that their friends can find them, then maybe you will actually be able to text or get that person's number. And we hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe, and if you have any more questions, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.